Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is May 6th, 2026. We're up here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We have got a real nice Bobcat S770 wheeled skid steer, guys. This one appears to be a high flow unit, 2-speed. It's got a little over 500 hours on it, showing. This is lot number 1402, guys. Nice clean tires on it. Comes with this bucket. Cabbed AC, and the AC appears to be working. We'll show photos of that in this video. You'll see as well. Last time I had an oil change. Nice clean oil in it, guys. Seems to run really good. There's a VIN number, guys, ending in 4181, a 2020 model, showing here, lot number 1402. What it's showing is a 2020. What it's showing on the machine is a 2020. It's got a quick coupler, guys. All the cylinders seem to be free of any leaks, from what we can see. Again, AC and heat. All right. No codes to be shown right there. 553.3 hours. 1400 RPM. I'm revving it up right now. 13.7 volts, so it's charging. Not sure what that is. Now we'll go over here to the aux. Got high flow showing there, guys. Nice clean machine. All right, 553 hours showing here as well. 553.3 hours, 553.3 hours. It is pilot control as well as foot. Not sure why you don't want to use foot. That always sucks to me, but it has it. Also has a radio, guys. We'll go ahead and show on the AC, guys. It's 23 degrees coming out of that vent. As you can see, guys. Even colder than that, guys. And outside, we're showing to have what the heck? I did just put this in the cold for quite a while. It's 80 degrees plus, guys, but as you can see in here, it's showing to have real cold. So AC seems to be working just fine, guys. Without further ado, we'll go ahead and get you a quick little operations video here. So we got a lot of units to get to today, guys. All right, here we are on the S770. All right, guys, as you can see, I engaged the high flow in there. I engaged the 2-speed. It all seemed to work just fine. I want to make one note that they pointed out to me, guys. They are trying to fix that bushing here for the quick coupler. They didn't have a chance to get to it. It just has a stud that's broken off in there for this quick coupler, guys. Very easy fix. They wanted to be transparent about it, but this all works just fine, as you can see in the video. But they're trying to get a new bushing for this. Not sure it'll be done before the sale, but just wanted to point that out. Besides that, guys, real nice machine, in our opinion. Pretty nice machine, 2020 model, to be showing S770 Bobcat 2-speed unit with the high flow. If you got any questions, please give us a call. 972-666-9501, 1-855-EQ Deals. Thank you.